questioning how
No,
much
a certain level of appreciation and understanding of the faith for you to leave it
So how
and then
much-
call yourself ex-Muslim because you are calling yourself ex something. So a Muslim has a definition, right? If you were not a Muslim in the first place, like some people claim to be ex-Muslims and they were never Muslims in the first place. When we ask them to read Al-Fatiha or tell us the basics of Islam, they don't know anything about Islam and they're claiming to be ex-Muslims.
Right.
So clearly they were not Muslim in the first place before they became
so how
ex-Muslim.
Muslim you are? How much Muslim you are?
I understand enough to be Muslim.
Even
I am.
I understand Islam enough to be a Muslim.
Do you know
And now I am
Al-Fatiha?
Islam.
Do you know Al-Fatiha?
Yeah.
You can read Surah Al-Fatiha?
Yeah.
Okay. You know it by heart? Qul huwallahu ahad.
Sure.
Qul huwallahu
Why
ahad.
not? Why not?
Yes. Can you read it, please?
Why should I?
No. I just
You
want to
pick-
know for
you
my
pick-
conviction.
No. First you recite then. I
أعوذ
don't know how
بالله
much you
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا
اهدنا
الصراط
الصراط
المستقيم
المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم
Yes.
غير المغضوب عليهم
غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Yes. And قل هو الله أحد.
الله الصمد لم
Yes.
يلد ولم يولد
Okay.
ولم
Yeah.
يكن له
Okay.
كفوا أحد.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Now leave that.
So
Come to
okay.
the point.
Okay. Good.
I
You know
just
the
asked
basic
one question.
basic
Please,
surah
please
surahs.
answer that.
Yeah. So it's clear that you know the
Because-
basic
Because
surahs.
these things are very basic and we know
Yeah.
you are Muslim and I'm a Muslim and I'm an
No, but you're not a
ex-Muslim
Muslim now, are you?
I'm an ex-Muslim now.
Yeah. You go ahead. I'm kafir.
So let's conclude that. So let's conclude that. Okay?
Yeah.
can buy that.
Let's conclude that. Now, I just asked one question here. That is, committing shirk or raping your mother, which is the biggest sin in Islam? This is the simple question that I asked, and he was not able to answer that.
Both are big sins.
Which is
Both.
the bigger one? Which comes
Bigger
first?
bigger one. Your mother is created by God. Okay. God is the biggest in Islam. God is the biggest entity in Islam. Any crime against God directly is the biggest crime. Okay. And anyone God has created is below God. So they have secondary position in Islam, right? So mothers, prophets, saints, sacred personalities are all secondary to God. So any crime or any insult against God is the biggest insult. That's it. That's the answer.
So-
Very plain.
so
Is
what
it clear?
shirk?
Is my answer?
What is shirk?
Shirk is attributing partners to God Almighty when they don't
So-
exist.
So raping mother is equivalent to that?
Sorry?
Raping your mother is equivalent to attributing partners to your
Raping
doctor?
your mother is a crime in Islam that is
I
punishable
understand.
by death.
I understand.
That is punishable. I'm not answering your question. That is punishable by death according to the Quran. Because raping your mother is fasad fil ard. Fasad fil ard in chapter 5 of the Quran. Anyone who
My question
spreads
is not
mischief
that.
in the
My
land. Yeah.
question is
So
not that. Shirk is attributing partners to Allah.
yeah.
Raping mother, is it equivalent to that?
I have explained to you God is bigger than
No,
mother.
you said something else.
No,
I'm
wait.
just asking you.
Yeah.
Which
God is bigger than mother,
I
right?
think this is a
I said it
category.
right.
It's a
Yeah.
category
So,
error.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
so shirk is bigger.
Yeah. Sorry.
So shirk is bigger.
No, any crime against God, shirk or otherwise, okay? You don't have to commit shirk to be a criminal against God, okay? You can insult
that's not
God,
my question.
you can curse God.
You commit shirk and you commit raping your mother. After committing all these things, which will get you into the hell or the heaven?
Both.
Which one prevents you from getting into the heaven?
It completely depends on the criminal's intentions. Why he
You are
did.
just to say-
I'm
because-
answering you.
because we
No, wait. I'm
because-
answering your question. I'm
You are
answering your
just
question.
deflecting. You are just deflecting.
No,
Because-
I'm not
because
deflecting.
we have-
You don't like my
we-
answer. That's why you're calling
we like
calling it
You
deflection.
are just deflecting. That's it.
Okay,
Deflecting
Adnan,
tactics
Adnan,
don't
can I
work.
interject here?
Yeah.
So you made a category error.
What
You know
is
where
that?
you made the category error?
This is not the category error that I.
If
put
you allow
forward
me to
because-
answer,
one
I'll tell
second.
you where the category error.
I'll tell you something.
Okay, because you
first place.
asked which is the biggest
First
sin.
place.
First and foremost,
No.
when you use the term sin,
This comparison
No,
was
hold on,
not
hold
made
on.
by me.
Hold on.
This
When you
comparison is not
when you
made
say
by me.
sin, what do you understand by that term?
This comparison is not made by me. This category was put forward by the mullahs.
Which mullah? Which mullah? Which
You want
mullah?
to see?
Which
No,
mullah?
which mullah?
Yeah, we can play.
Which, no,
No,
you
it's not
can
about you
mention
playing.
mention
It's
name.
not about you playing.
Mention the
No,
name.
we don't care about mullahs can be wrong and mullahs can be right.
Mullahs
can be wrong and they
mullahs
right.
can be killers, mullahs can be rapists,
But you know,
mullah can.
you know, he asked question as a kafir.
Mullahs-
He's asking the question
So this mullah
about
is wrong,
hell,
that's what
Wait,
you're
wait.
saying.
about
So
heaven.
this mullah is
He's
wrong,
asking
what
about
you're
sin.
saying.
Do
Who
you want to make a
defines
show? You want to make a
This is
show?
not a show.
So you can play any mullah for anything.
Yes.
This is not a
Yeah.
show.
So
I can,
what?
I
What's that
can
gonna
play an
prove?
atheist, a kafir, an ex-Muslim like
this
you,
is something-
who might have actually slept with his mother.
This is
Yeah.
So
something
what does
which-
it mean?
this is
Yeah.
something
It
which
just
we
shows that
all
you have no
speak.
If I show you an ex-Muslim who has slept with his mother, who says there's nothing wrong with incest, So
I'm
are
asking
you
about the
responsible
law
for
in
that?
Islam.
Do you have to answer for
I'm
that?
asking about
Who makes the law in Islam?
Do you believe sleeping with your mother is okay?
What do
Do
you want to?
do you
what
believe
I'm
sleeping with your
asking
mother is
you,
okay?
What is the law in Islam?
I'm asking you a question.
What
not-
is the law in
do you,
Islam?
as
You
as
answer.
as a kafir,
Who made this comparison?
as a self-confessing kafir,
Who made this comparison?
as a self-confessing kafir, do you believe sleeping with your own mother is okay
It's
or
not
wrong?
okay, never
No,
okay.
why not?
But-
Why
but
not?
in
what?
Islam-
Why not?
Based on
Based on
what
what?
standard?
But in
What
Islam-
What's your
standard?
standards?
We have scientific reasons
Scientific?
for
No,
that.
no,
We have
science-
scientific
Whoa,
reasons.
whoa, whoa.
So
And
you
science
stop-
defines
we
morals
have-
for you?
Yeah,
Since
of
when?
course, of course.
Which scientist defines moral? Give me one scientist.
Which scientist?
Yes, give me one name of a
It's not
scientist.
scientist does that.
No, you
We
said
have
it's based on
evidence,
science. No,
evidence,
you said who,
evidence,
I asked you who defines
evidence.
morals.
Science.
Show
No,
me one
it doesn't.
scientist.
Which one do you want?
Anyone.
You don't even know
Give me a
science.
major scientist who defines morals.
We have scientific information and
What?
evidence.
Science
which
is
stops
amoral.
you from
Science is
committing
amoral.
So
You
you're
don't
saying,
even know.
you're saying science
incestuous
actually deals with
relations.
morality.
Okay.
Two out of one person.
Yeah.
No,
okay.
you actually think science deals with
Incestuous
morality.
Relations, we have clear-cut evidence.
I don't think you can
which
quote a
stops you from
single
doing that.
scientist who
It's
says
not
that
about
we
scientists.
deal
It's
with
not about science.
So
That's
don't
your-
bring science
that's-
in.
that's your
Ex-Muslims
misconception.
got nothing
That
to do
only
with
something
science.
when you- which
All
is
you
said
know
by
the reason
science
you
can be
stick to this
defended.
label
That's
called
your
I
misconception.
think we're talking
That's your
over each other.
misconception.
Yeah, yeah.
So let's.
So
let-
I asked him the question, who defines sin? Can you answer that, please?
No. Before we
Nobody
go,
defines sin?
no. We will define sin.
Okay,
Wait,
this is
he
acquired.
is saying science defines sin. Okay, wait,
Evidence.
Is that what he said?
wait.
From
That's what he
science.
said. That's what he's saying.
Through the
That's
science.
what-
According to you, what's the
Yeah.
definition
So
of
now
sin?
no, Hashim, wait.
Fine.
I want to
what's
ask
the
you.
definition of
I want to
sin?
ask you. You said sleeping with your mother is wrong, based on what? I want to understand your
We have
psyche.
the evidence here.
What's the
Because
evidence?
that's not right, and that's
No.
that will bring
Why?
you-
Why?
Ask him.
that-
Let's define sin
I
first.
really believe.
that will bring you
We
different
define the
Why?
kinds of
Why?
problems
I
and-
want to know why.
And
Why?
it is something which has come to you as an evolutionary pathway, which,
No.
which you can.
Evolution.
which you will be-
Hold on.
Survival of the
I'll
fittest.
let you finish. I'll let you finish. He
That's
said
how it is.
evolution. He now claimed evolution teaches us that this is wrong, sleeping with your mother. Evolution, to the contrary, teaches us that it is very right to do that, because throughout history,
Look at the animal world.
look at the animal world. They don't have a mother, they don't have a sister, they sleep with anyone.
Like
They
the
have
pigs.
sex.
No,
They-
they don't
the
survive.
animals.
They don't survive.
Wait,
Science
wait,
survive.
wait,
Science have
wait,
the proof.
wait.
They don't survive.
Wait.
You are quoting the wrong thing.
Animals, do they mate with their mothers or
They
not?
mate and they die.
Okay, they
What?
die.
They mate
They
and
mate
die.
and they die.
Yeah. That's the
No,
problem.
no, you're talking about the
That-
entire
that-
life. I'm
that-
saying
that's
once
the
in their
problem
life,
we say.
if they mate with the mother, do they die? Once.
That causes problems in that society.
Okay, we have a
That
solution.
group-
Animals have society.
No,
Wow.
wait.
That won't
Look at the
survive.
logic.
won't survive.
Animals have
Hashim,
society.
wait, relax. I understand.
Moral society is in
So
animals.
they
Hashim,
will-
one second.
so they will
So
ignore their
now,
own
so
morals.
now you're using
they will
consequentialism.
throw it
I
out.
understand. You're using consequentialism to argue
not
that
consequential.
because it's bad, because animals die, okay, it's not right. So what if we can give animals condoms? Okay, what if we give them contraceptions and they are able to have sex? Wait, relax. I'm breaking your argument.
Relax,
I'm
yeah.
breaking your argument that scientifically, if we apply methods that it can be made safe for them to have sex, does it become right then?
Never.
Why not?
Because we have
Why
the
not?
problems defined, and
No,
we,
no.
we see that as a problem.
No, why is it a moral
And-
problem,
and-
brother?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But for Islam, you can marry
No, no.
your own
Islam-
child.
Islam is
lets you
Islam-
marry your own child. You
Listen,
know that?
you-
How, if you say that this is wrong,
all
how,
rage
baiting. I
how
know.
Islam
Rage baiting.
lets you marry your own child?
Jumping from one topic to another.
Is that right?
It
in
is,
Islam?
is
Is that right in
it
Islam?
it is absolutely.
Is that right in Islam?
I'm answering your question,
me.
okay? Before you, because we deal with all kind of people here in the park, so we are battle hardened. We have had these discussions for the last 20, 30 years, right?
problem.
So we
Right.
know all the tactics. You came from India, you're new here, right?
No.
So let me teach you the rules of Speaker's Corner. Until you deal with one topic
the question.
at hand, we cannot move forward.
Answer the
I'm
question.
asking a question.
If
You
you-
claimed, according to evolution, if an animal sleeps with the mother or has sex with the mother,
Answer
I'm
my
saying
question
scientifically,
first.
if we can
Answer my
remove that
question
obstacle, if we can move that sexual intercourse
my
safer,
question.
safer, no, like for example, for human beings, we give them condoms, we give them contraceptions. They don't. So now, does it become right? He has no answer. He hasn't given an answer.
I
Does
have
it become
given you
right?
the answer
No.
because we acquire the morality by seeing the problems which comes out of that.
Brilliant.
Okay?
So your
But
morality
in
is
Islam-
acquired
but
from
in
who?
Islam-
From who?
But in Islam, we have
From who?
rules
From religions.
which lets you marry
Amazingly,
your own child.
your morality is entirely acquired from religions.
What?
Yes,
Lets
you-
you marry your own
Science is
child.
out
Yeah,
there.
Tell me.
you are Indian. That's why you cannot imagine it.
What
You are
makes
Indian. If you
you-
were from Norway,
You're racist
if
now.
you were from Scandinavia, from one of the atheistic societies, you would say, so what?
No,
If my
I'm
mom is
Indian
fit,
ex-Muslim. That's Indian
Imam
deflection.
is fit.
Racial
Yeah,
deflection.
yeah.
Okay.
No.
I don't buy that. Answer
You're
my
from
question.
India. You're
What
conditioned
lets-
by your
what lets a
social
Muslim
morality.
Marry your own child. Tell me.
LGBTQ,
What,
they allow
what
the
lets you
scientists.
marry your
They're
own
okay
child?
with
Tell
that.
me.
Sorry.
What lets you marry your own child?
In Islam.
Islam.
First of all, that's not true in Islam.
Islam.
This is
Change the topic.
okay. We're not going to change the topic. We're not going to. I'm answering his question. and Coming back to
If the
you.
child is born out of unlawful wedlock, you can marry her.
I'm
That's the
answering
rule
your
in
question.
Islam.
I'm answering your question.
Is it true or not?
Same
I'm
thing.
answering.
Is it true or
This
not?
guy is supposed Zionist
Wait.
genocide.
Yes.
So he's the last person to talk about morality.
Morality, yes.
true.
That's true. Do you?
It's
Do you?
true in
do you-
Islam. You can marry your own
do you-
child.
do you can- you can-
answer me first.
I'm answering. Can
You
you
don't
prove?
deflect. Okay,
Yeah.
tell me the answer. Right.
Because you just threw a deflection in there.
No, you
no,
are
no, 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 no,
deflecting.
no,
You
no,
answer
no.
me the question.
Wait, relax.
If you
What's
say
your
that
name?
morality in
What's your
Islam
name?
is
What's
so
your name?
superior,
What's your name?
tell me
What's your name?
how Islam lets you marry your own child.
Why don't we? Why don't we?
Stop
Why?
debating.
No.
Tell
Wait.
me.
Stick
I
to
will.
one topic.
What
Hashim
makes
Ali.
you marry your own child? Is it moral or not?
According to the
Yes,
scientists,
or
it's okay.
First of all,
If you don't
first of all, okay, scientifically, strictly speaking, according to your religion, whatever religion
I'm
it is,
asking about Islam.
I'm answering.
You are not
You asked
answering.
me a question.
Okay.
Okay, let me throw a deflection. Let me lie. Let me. So
My question is
correct
a
me in
simple-
your
simple
time.
question.
You don't like my answers.
I think my question is clear.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
So now,
Answer me. Am I
how
deflecting?
do you justify
Yes, you are.
how do you justify Israeli crimes in Gaza?
question.
How do you justify
You say that.
scientifically?
Answer me.
Why do you have to be a mass murdering genocide apologist?
You are deflecting.
No, no.
Answer me.
If
you're
saying
saying Islamic morality is so superior,
How
what
do you?
makes you marry your own child? Tell me.
Why do you have to be such a bitter kafir?
Tell me, what
Having
makes you- what
having
lets
left
you marry
Islam,
your own
why
child?
do you have to become such
Deflection
a bad
two.
enemy of
Deflection
Islam and
two.
Muslims that you are now justifying the killing of Muslim children in
You are
Gaza?
deflecting.
Yeah.
Come
Okay.
here. Come
So you
here.
don't like this?
Answer me.
Yeah.
Answer me.
So you don't like deflections?
No.
You don't.
Answer
No,
me.
they don't like deflections.
I know.
They
If
don't
you
like
say that-
deflections.
if you say
So
that-
now,
if you say that
so now,
Islamic-
if you,
Islamic
now that
morality
we
is so
don't like
superior,
deflections,
what lets you marry
now
your
that
own
we don't
child?
like deflections, we go back to the original topic.
What lets you marry your own children?
If the scientific obstacle you have put that they die when a mother can have sex with her own child, right? If that obstacle is removed, which is easily removed today, does it become okay to sleep with one's mother? I'm asking a question.
I answered
Or
it
maybe in this
multiple
case,
times.
Why?
the father.
I answered
Why?
it 3 times. Now
Why?
I have a counter question.
Why? You don't like
That
deflections,
is,
I don't like
if
deflections.
If that is the answer I have, you are claiming that you have better answer than
Yeah, I do.
that.
I do.
Then answer me.
I do.
What lets
I
you
do.
marry your own
First
child?
of all, I want to highlight your
what
inconsistency.
lets you marry your own child? as
You're
per
cutting
Islam?
me. You're cutting me. I want to have. You look like
You're not
a.
answering.
You look like a perfectly
Deflection three.
intelligent.
Deflection three.
You look like an intelligent man.
Deflection three.
You're intelligent enough to be a kafir.
cut that.
So
Come to the point.
let me
Cut the
let me.
crap and come to the
Okay.
point.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now let me.
Come to the point.
Now you are a proud self-confessing kafir, a disbeliever, and a Zionist, and a genocide apologist. You have that
I'm a
intelligence.
proud Zionist. Come
No,
to the point.
he's a
You okay
proud-
with genocide, yeah?
What lets you,
Okay with
what
genocide.
lets you marry your own child?
Imagine. Are you a proud BJP?
Yeah, I'm a proud BJP.
BJP as well, and a Zionist.
now
You,
come-
cou- you
now come
couldn't
to
get
that.
worse
And
than
he's talking
that.
about morality.
You couldn't worse.
Now come to
You
the
couldn't
question.
get worse than
This
that.
is the
come
best
to the
example
question.
of the morality.
Now come to the
How
question.
do you even sleep at night? I am more interested. I'm more interested in that. How do you sleep at night? How do you sleep at night?
Let me answer,
Not about
answer
BJP.
me.
Not
What
about
lets you
BJP.
marry your own child?
He asking a question. It's not about BJP or Islam.
BJP just stole from Ram Mandir
Stick to the
a
subject.
lot of money.
Again, he's deflecting.
Agree. Now
You
let-
agree?
now answer
Okay,
me.
then
Now
why you
answer.
support them?
Now answer me.
No,
what
you're
lets
not
you
answering.
marry your own child?
You're
after
not
Islamic
answering any of our
morality?
questions.
Answer
Define
me.
sin first.
I've
Answer
answered
me
your
one
question.
Define sin.
In Islam, it's haram to marry your own child.
Sleep with their mothers. Okay, I can do the same thing. Why do ex-Muslims sleep with their mother?
No one, no one sleeps.
Who? How do you know? How do you know all the
But in
ex-Muslims?
Islam,
Okay, show me in the Quran where
yeah.
they sleep with
You
their
are-
mother.
Team
Show
can
me.
do that. I'm from Kerala.
You are.
He's from
In
Kerala.
Islam,
I'm
it
from
is
Kerala.
haram.
Really?
He
Incest.
support for a team. It's called Essence. And the same team, there's a guy. He just done. It's a talk on that one. Any non-Muslim, any atheist, they can sleep with their mother.
Is he Muhammad
There's no
to us?
problem.
Is he Muhammad to us?
No. He support the same team. The same team.
Yeah, he's
Listen, the problem is,
I had discussion with this guy before.
guys,
Okay.
it's turning into a mess.
Okay.
We need to have a conversation.
There's no
So that
problem.
one-
Okay, yeah. Sorry, you can.
Where do you get him out?
It's turning.
You're not answering any of our
it's-
questions.
It's turning
You're
into a
deflecting
mess.
the crowd.
Look. The problem. Can I bring some rules to the conversation? Can we not cut each other? Let me talk BS. You can talk BS for as
You
long as
too
you
can.
like.
You
Okay.
too can.
Okay. But let's not cut each other because we want to educate our audiences. We want to have a consistent Now I'm going to answer all your questions.
just go
We
back to
have
the
a
first question
we
you
have a
asked.
consistent.
My
Okay,
question is still unanswered.
Yeah, I am.
If you
I am.
claim that your morality is so superior, what lets you marry your own child?
Wait, brothers, come on. Okay. Can we have some?
That's why he's
Can we
lying.
have some calm?
You question him.
Okay.
You question him.
Okay.
You don't
First
know
of all,
Islam. That's the problem.
first of all, can we now agree first?
If there is
I will give
nothing
you my
like
superior.
that in Islam, why he is lying?
Brothers. Okay.
I hope you live up to your name.
Yeah.
So far it doesn't look like.
We can easily dismantle all his claims
Then
and
claim.
arguments and
Then
everything.
please do it.
Yeah,
What
let's
lets you
do
marry
it.
your own child?
Because he
What lets you marry your own child in
Okay.
Islam? If Islam
First
is
of
so
all,
superior?
you're lying against our faith.
not
Well,
lying.
look, again, I said don't interrupt me. When I'm answering, you don't like my answer. You don't like my answer. Zip your mouth and listen to my answer,
You cannot
and then I'll
dictate
zip
me.
my
You
mouth.
cannot dictate
No,
me.
I'm not. I'm
You
not
cannot dictate
dictating,
me.
but you don't want people to hear my answer.
You can answer
You know,
me.
you can throw questions at me and don't want me to answer.
just deflect
I'm
it.
answering.
Answer me right.
It's absolutely haram, forbidden, prohibited in our faith to marry any child, let alone your own child. Okay, full
in
stop.
Islam,
No,
I'll
wait,
let
wait,
you know.
wait. I've answered directly. Now I expect an answer from him. Now, can you answer me? What is your moral source to say wait. So I'm going to stick to the question. What is your moral source to say that you cannot sleep with your mother?
In Islam, is there a rule that you can marry your child if that child is born out of wedlock?
Haram. I'm saying haram.
It is halal in Islam.
I've been studying Islam for 20 years. I'm saying it's
I'm studying
absolutely,
Islam
you're
for 40
lying.
years,
You're
okay?
lying against our faith.
not
By the way, you
It's
don't
It's
answer
haram.
my question.
It's not
He asked
lying.
another question.
It is there
And you
in
don't do that.
Islam.
I'm not-
Okay, leave it to people.
don't
Leave it to
give-
people
no,
now.
don't give them easy.
I have said. I'm gonna repeat it categorically.
So,
You
where's my camera?
so-called
Please.
ex-Muslims,
it's
so-called
recording. Okay.
atheists, so-called kafirs. Lie. They have nothing but lies against Islam. They have a bunch of emotional arguments they want to throw at people to rock the boat.
Let him complete.
But in reality, they
did
have
not
no
answer our
foundations.
question.
They have no foundations to offer. They have nothing to offer.
When you say Indian, that's what they categorize.
Okay, so that's
So-
racism, right? Okay. So
Why are you ignoring?
when we upload this, I will show you the proof from Quran which
Rather
lets
you
you marry
try to say, my
your own
remember,
child.
Okay. Okay. Show me now.
He's speaking to his bubble.
rather you try to debunk.
Yeah. Show me now. Show me now.
Show me now. I'm recording, please.
Of course, I'm talking to you people as well. He's lying. He has nothing from the Quran. Show me now.
He won't lie. He won't.
Show me now. They're waiting. They're waiting for your proof.
I will show you.
Adnan, don't let him skip.
This is the problem.
Stick to the question.
Is that you?
That is, they don't know
He said he's
Islam.
proud
They don't know
Is that him?
the rule which is present in Islam.
Is that him?
Now, this is something.
Is it Jewish?
He likes.
Well, he said he's Zionist.
He likes.
You kick him out.
The rule in Islam. That's it.
Okay. Now you please, guys, without making noise, we can easily dismantle everything they bring. Easily. Do not make noise because you're making it difficult for me. Okay? So let him speak, let me speak so that people can learn. Okay? You claimed you can show from the Quran that we can sleep with our
you can
with our
watch- you can
children.
watch my channel.
Oh no. Right now. Right now.
That's why
Wait.
You watch our channels as well then.
Hashim,
Watch Dawa Watch.
Hashim, this,
I'll tell you what,
Hashim,
I'm
he's
telling
taking
you on my channel,
he's
come
taking.
and have a debate. How about that? Okay? On Dawa Wise, this Thursday.
Hashim.
Hashim. And I'll bring Adnan with me on the panel. No problem. By the way, I don't shake hands with, I don't know whether you watch or not. So I'm sorry.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum.
Walaikum. Yeah, see what?
See what?
Islam is peace. and
Yes, peace.
Speaking to his little audience. By the way, we don't shake hands with proud Zionists. We don't.
Listen,
I'm an ex-
now,
I know that.
now,
So if you know, then don't
can we
shake
come back to the
I'm not like
conversation?
this.
Can we come back to the
my
conversation?
channel, and we will have a debate about all these things. Yes, Hashim.
Come this
His
Thursday.
channel, his
You're also
channel.
welcome.
His channel.
You're also welcome. See, they won't.
I don't shake hands with Zionists. I don't. No, not just. You're a genocide apologist. I will never shake hand with you.
I called
Never.
Adnan boy.
time.
Seriously, I called you Adnan boy. Still you won't take hand.
Are you a Zionist?
Bring the evidence. Yeah,
Are
don't
you
say watch
Zionist?
our channel.
I don't follow this.
No, are you a
Bring
Zionist?
evidence.
Not really.
Are you Zionist? He's a Zionist.
I'm a proud Zionist.
Let it be.
Yeah. Let him be. Let him be.
Everyone has
Let
their
him
own
be.
opinion.
You guys, the more you open your mouth, the more repulsive, and the more hate-worthy you are. You know why? Because you are genocide apologists. You are the scum of the earth. You're the worst people walking on the planet. You know why? Because you are genocide apologists. I can never stand here and justify the killing of children. I can never stand here and say I'm a proud killer of children. I can never say that. I can, as a Muslim,
The main man is okay with killing children and babies because he's supposed to Zionist.
So now,
I've been watching your videos.
It is
now.
like
Yeah,
being
so
a
let's
Hitler
talk.
scheme,
I
this guy.
don't see a lot you deflecting. Rather you debunking atheism.
just deflected. That means what?
You just
No, he
take the
answered the
Quran,
question.
you
I've
just
answered the
take
question.
Quran.
I've answered the question directly. Head on. He's lying.
He asked me.
He has nothing but lies.
first
He has
question-
nothing but lies.
The first question. The first question he was
I have an idea. Can we sit on chairs, put the cameras there, and have
Time
a
it,
calm
time-
conversation?
time
and
it,
time
time
it.
it, yeah.
1 minute each.
How about that?
Or 2 minutes each.
Actually, you can do it here. Time it. 2
Time
minutes.
it. 2 minutes each.
Yeah? And whoever doesn't answer the question has lost. That's
Yes.
argument.
nothing like that.
Yeah.
No, no,
It has-
2 minutes.
you have to
Within
give
the 2
answers.
minutes, if you don't answer the
You have to
question,
prove your
then you lost
point.
that point.
You have to give evidence.
No, the thing is,
We'll do the same on Dawah.
you try to
If you are willing to
debunk.
come up.
You try to debunk
2 minutes each.
atheism.
2 minutes
Let's see
each.
if he comes on Thursday. Guys, make sure your man, the proud Zionist, proud BJP, proud RSS, who follow Hitler, make sure he comes on Dawah at 5:30. We'll be waiting. 5:30 p.m. UK time. Okay, by the way, we don't understand Malayalam, so English only, please.
No, we just discuss it.
Yeah, I know, but English. No problem. So, 2 minutes each. Are you okay?
No, we have a point here.
No, no. Are
No,
you
no,
okay?
no,
Why are you running
no.
away?
Why are you running away now?
I thought you
brother?
are proud X, Y, and Z.
I'm not running
Proud
away.
kafir.
This video
So act like one.
I have a mouth.
Actually, he's acting
I
like
have
a
a mouth.
kafir.
You have a
Running away from
mouth.
the challenge.
Everything will be there online.
No, no, no. You, my friend, right now, why can't you have the challenge? 2 minutes
do a
each.
debate. If
Why can't you have
Let
the
all
challenge
the
right now?
Indian Muslims and non-Muslims see that these people, when they are faced with questions, they have nothing. When they face informed Muslims, they have nothing. They will make dirty claims online. Islam says this, Islam says that. But when a Muslim is standing in front of them with education and information, they have nothing. They will run.
By the way,
They don't want to have a conversation. This is the nature of this kafir. Self-confessing kafir. By the way, I'm not calling him as a hateful gesture. He said, I am a kafir. Look. So I'm calling him what he is. Or what he's.
By the way, Adnan, they are going to clip. Adnan,
No,
Adnan.
okay. I don't shake hands with Zionists. I don't shake hands with people who justify genocide of children. He's a proud Zionist. He said he's a proud Zionist. The Zionists, when they look at him as, you know what they call people like this? You know, Zionists are so racist. When people like Indians like him, when they say, shut the hell up, you Indian, get out, we don't need you. That's how Zionists talk to them. Zionists are so racist, they don't want these Pajits to come and defend them. They don't want these people to say, Sar, I'm with you. They don't want this.
By the way, you
The
know-
Zionists don't care about them. These people are so low. They are so low that they are dying for Zionists when the Zionists don't want them. The Zionists don't want them.
Why are you scared of the
Have you
2
been to
minute
Israel?
debate? Why
Have
you
you been to
scared?
Israel?
Twice.
They will treat you like shit. They will treat you like shit. I mean, maybe they love you because you hate Islam.
No, no, he's not a Zionist. He is.
Maybe because you're doing content against Islam, they love you.
By the way, they're going to clip that. Adnan, they're going to clip that part about you generalizing about Indians. So just say the
No,
hateful
no.
Indians. Make sure
Hateful
you say
Indians.
it.
Hateful
Say
Indians.
that. Say it in
Absolutely.
front of his camera.
So they are experts of clipping. They are experts of clipping. So I am talking about Indians who are BJP sympathizers, who are Zionist sympathizers, hateful Indians, whoever they are, Muslims or non-Muslims, whoever they are. If they sympathize with the Zionists, you are a lowlife. You need to get a life. You need to get a life. Whoever you are.
You hate everything.
So we don't need any time. Thank you so much.
We don't.
So atheist
By the way,
We have sympathy.
Why is Islam
We have
the
sympathy.
Why is Islam
We
the
have
fastest
sympathy.
growing religion, not your ex-Muslim?
Yeah, fastest breeding religion.
Hashim,
Oh, you stop breeding.
Hashim,
Oh, I know you guys
I want a
can't
good,
breed.
I want a
Right?
no,
By
no,
the way,
no, no,
You know, get yourself checked with a doctor if you can't breed.
Hashim, relax. I want an amicable end to this conversation. Clearly, these gentlemen are running away.
An Indian is telling us
Hashim. Yeah. Hashim, no, one against one. I'll tell him not to speak. One against one.
2 minutes each.
Yeah. 2 minutes each. Wait. He doesn't want it. He doesn't want it. He's already trying to find an avenue out. Okay, guys. Sam! Hello! Please. We're trying to. These guys were brave enough to come to Speaker's Corner, knowing well that there are Muslims here who will debate them. We are not threatening them with violence. We're not insulting them with words they don't claim already. He's a kafir, self-confessingly. I'm calling him a kafir because he's a kafir, right? He's an ex-Muslim. He's a Zionist. He's a BJP sympathizer, right? So he's saying that, right?
Fascist.
I don't know what that is. I don't know. So now, no violence.
The fascist family.
No, well, guys, please, guys. No violence, no hatred, no threats. Why is he running away?
Nice man, nice. What is the punishment of apostate?
No.
I will.
2 minutes each. Are you okay? Or
You,
gonna run
you,
away?
you think you're clever? You think you're clever, right? You think you're clever. So we're gonna have an equal, fair discussion. I will answer your questions, and you will answer my questions. If you don't answer my questions, I'm not going to let you escape because you can't ask questions and not answer questions, right? So now my question to you is, why sleeping with one's mother is wrong? You gave a wishy-washy crap answer because you're not educated. I know you're not educated. You don't know philosophy. You don't know the philosophy of science. You haven't even studied science. Anyone trying to use science for moral values or morality doesn't know science. Doesn't know what science is. You've lost the debate already. But now that, because you think you are a smart guy, I'll let you have the opportunity again
You got 2
to
minutes.
answer the question. Why sleeping with one's mother is wrong? We the Muslims have an answer. You don't have an answer.
For us, it's wrong.
We answered it, and you.
No, you didn't answer. Why? I'm asking why. Why? You're saying science. Science doesn't help you. Science doesn't say this is right or wrong. Science says what is. Science doesn't say why it is. Science doesn't say why it is. Okay? Science says what is.
We answered you 3 times. That science helps us.
Stop wasting time. You got
2 minutes. You got 2 minutes, yeah?
When we say that, you said me that you have a better position, that Islam is more superior.
I never said that. Although,
You got 2 minutes.
yeah, sorry, 2 minutes. I'm not going to interrupt
Answer the
you.
question.
Guys, he's answering. Can you stop me? He's answering.
At that point, I asked you a second question. That is, if that is the case, what lets you marry
1
your
minute, 30
child
seconds.
in Islam? And you just made a statement that is false in Islam. That's what you said. So why? We have the verses in Quran itself which says, and even in
Say
other,
what?
in other
1 minute, 20
that
seconds.
You can marry your own child if that girl is born out of wedlock. Why you can do that in Islam?
Say, he
Brilliant.
didn't answer.
Great. No problem. That's his time.
He
Now
asked
my
the
2
question
minutes.
with a question.
My 2 minutes without interruption. First of all, he did not give an answer why sleeping with one's mother is wrong. He keeps saying science says that. Science doesn't say anything about sleeping with one's mother. Science has nothing to say with sleeping with one's mother. Science simply says if you sleep with another human being, this will happen. That will happen.
So why
It
are
does,
you not sleeping with your mother?
wait. It doesn't. I didn't interrupt you. It doesn't say why it's wrong or why it's right. It doesn't say that. So science is not his defense. He has no answer. The conclusion is he has no answer. Second point he raised. Your Quran says you can sleep with your child. Your Quran. Wait. You when you marry, you sleep. Do you have a wife?
No, the
Do you have a
word
wife?
Islam is marriage.
Do you have a wife? Do you
word
sleep with her?
Islam- the word
Do you sleep with
Quran is
her?
marriage.
Well, so clearly you sleep with your wife, right? If you're married. So he claimed the Quran says you can marry your child, right? I want him to now, if you are fair, everyone listening, I want him to pull out the ayah from the Quran, the verse where it says you can marry your child. If he does not pull that out, then know that this guy is not only a lame Zionist, a lame BJP apologist, he's a liar also, like the BJP propagandists and all the Zionist scumbags. He's a liar. He's a liar who's lying upon our faith because they can do nothing but lie. And today is his exposure day. All the Muslims of India, spread this. This is janazah for this guy who claims things online, and when he's faced with challenges, he has nothing. He's going to pull out the ayah from the Quran now and time up.
No, it's time.
May time up.
It's your
It's your
now.
time.
I'm taking the words. Wait a
Yeah.
second. Okay.
Start this time. 2 minutes.
No, just
Let's see what he
When you make a claim, you should have the verse on your fingertips. You should know the verse.
He has to look at his notes. Forgets.
Start this time.
It started already, yeah? Your time. 1 minute.
No, it's not.
Left.
wait a second. Let me take the words, then you can start the time. Okay.
Now I knew I didn't want to debate. He doesn't memorize it. Like
This
the way
is
you
why these people don't want to debate. They know when faced with Muslims who study their faith,
1 minute, 10
they have
seconds left.
nothing but embarrassment. He doesn't even know science, he doesn't know philosophy, he doesn't know why he's ex-Muslim, he doesn't even know anything about Islam because he claimed the Quran says you can marry your child. I want that verse. The Quran saying you can marry your child. I want that verse now. Now.
30 seconds left.
Or apologize to all the Indian Muslims.
We got it before
All
you.
the Indian Muslims in India, you have been demonizing and dehumanizing. Apologize to them. Say, I'm sorry. Oh Muslims, I'm a fool, I'm an idiot, I'm a Zionist, that's why I'm an idiot. I'm sorry.
Okay, your time is up.
Yeah.
Adnan, your time now.
You got it, yeah?
It's my time.
It's your time now.
It's
Your
my
is
time.
up. You have to. you
Now
have to
my
be
time.
ready.
Clearly, ladies and
Like a
gentlemen,
Muslim, memorize it.
ladies and gentlemen, there is no verse in the Quran that says you can marry your
He's going to
child.
ChatGPT now.
No, guys, are you here to help me or are you here to cause problems? I hope he's not paying you.
Okay, don't help him. Let him find it. But
If
it's
you,
your time, Adnan.
yeah, if you make noise, you're helping him.
Adnan, it's your time.
Yeah.
So ask him
So,
another question.
ladies and gentlemen, he does not have this verse because this verse does not exist. We know the Quran. It's not there. These are liars. When they say they're ex-Muslim, they want money from the BJP government, they want money from the Zionists, and they want visits, tours to Israel so that they can be given platform to talk to ignorant fools, right? Now we are talking. Now we are talking. Show me the verse or you will apologize like a gentleman if you want. You're a kafir and not every kafir is fully evil, okay? There are kuffar who have principles. I hope you are one of those kuffar who has principles. Now my question is, if a person you cannot prove can sleep with his mother, then why would we follow what you are following? Why would we follow when you have no moral values to offer? When you have nothing to offer in return? You're saying you're ex-Muslim, I'm a kafir, I'm a proud Zionist, I'm a proud BJP, you're proud everything, but proud Muslim. But proud Muslim. So now you want Muslims to follow your kufr because you're kuffar. At least offer something in return. Say, yeah, we have a moral standard, follow us. In our standard, it is haram to sleep with your mother.
1 more minute left.
Okay, but in your standard, it's not haram to sleep with your mother because you are atheists, agnostics, right? You have no objective moral values. No, I'm not talking to you. I'm not debating you. I'm not debating you. You have no objective values. He's gonna be looking for the verse all day. Okay.
No, I'm telling the time. 30 seconds more.
I want you to give us a moral standard that we can use to live a happy life. We are Muslims. We are claiming we have a moral standard. We are living happy lives. We have discipline, we have education, we have great CEOs, doctors, scientists, philosophers, kings,
That I know.
sultans. We have all sorts of people. Okay, you, on the other hand, what do you have to offer? What do you have to offer?
Okay, your
I
time's up.
want to know why sleeping with one's mother is wrong.
Yeah, it's your
Or
time.
why
Why, you're still looking for it? Do you need help?
No, I will take it.
It's your time now.
Wait. It's his time now.
Wait a second.
So this is how you're going to debate, yeah? Online as well. Going to look on ChatGPT and stuff like that. Like a kid.
He hates ChatGPT. He hates ChatGPT.
I want all Indian Muslims. I want all Indian Muslims to spread this around India and expose these people, because Zionism makes you so evil that you become a liar and you become completely mindless. This guy standing here in front of multiple cameras made a claim the Quran tells Muslims to marry their own children. I want the ayah. I want the verse right now, or you apologize.
You got 1 more minute
I
left.
got it.
You got 1 more
He
minute.
got it. He got something. He's not sure.
Ask the IT team in India. Help support.
Ask Tel Aviv. Tel Aviv,
Sir,
Tell.
I'm Peter. I'm Peter. Help me. All right, come on, quick, guys, come
No,
on.
no, ask Tel Aviv.
They came all the way India for this, like a failed mission. For me, it is very clear.
Guys,
These guys,
there
they
is a
ask
reason.
questions, but
There's
they
a
don't have
reason.
answers.
There's a reason why you only make noise online.
Yeah.
When faced with a Muslim
Face
who
to
knows
face.
his faith, you have nothing. You have nothing. You have nothing. You have nothing but embarrassment, like you are being embarrassed
you have
right now.
30 seconds more.
You have nothing.
Like that. Wait.
Wait, we've been waiting for 5 minutes now. 30 seconds more. Then you ask again. Yeah, Mansoor? No? Right.
Let him find the verse from the Quran where it says Muslims can sleep with their children, their daughters. He is looking for the verse. He made this claim. Hold on. You know these people. This is not a joke. I want everyone to listen. This is not a joke. These people, these evil people, Zionists and BJP apologists, they make these claims online to hundreds of millions of Indians, and they make these people hate Muslims. These people cause all gullible Indian masses to hate Muslims because of the lies. But when we confront them, when we challenge them, there is nothing. So I am appealing to the Indian people, the Indian masses. Don't believe these liars.
Time now. His time is
My
up.
time is already up.
No, ask another question. No problem.
He's not answering.
So-
He's busy looking for the ayah.
Maybe ask him about why suppose
okay.
Zionists
Now, I'm gonna-
who commits genocide,
Okay.
We have to go home, man.
which is worse than anything.
Next point now I'm going to make in my time.
Yes.
He doesn't have the ayah. He's pretending that he has something. I know there is no ayah. I know there is no verse in the Quran. Now that is clear, does he have the shame? And I know he doesn't. Hashim. He doesn't have the shame to apologize. He will not, because he's a Zionist. Zionists are some of the most evil people on the planet Earth. They are child killers. People who sympathize with them and agree with them are apologists for child killing. Zionists are liars. So is he. His teachers are Zionists. That's why he cannot find that verse in the Quran that he claimed is there. Now, why is he like this? Why is he like this? He's like this. Okay, he's gonna now listen to voice notes. No, brother, you're gonna be famous tonight in India, inshallah. You're gonna be famous.
Make sure you post this without cutting, yeah? Don't chop it
You're
up.
gonna be famous tonight. No, you're gonna be famous.
Don't chop it up.
Don't worry. We will get
All the Muslims in India,
Thursday on
all the Muslims in India, every time you see this guy, ask him for the ayah, ask him for the verse. Do not leave him alone until he apologizes to all the Muslims of India for causing hatred against them. Because people like him are being paid by the Zionists from Israel to spread hatred against Muslims in India. The BJP and the Zionists work together to hate Muslims and spread hatred against Muslims in India. You, the Indian Muslims, be proud of your faith and don't be intimidated by individuals like this. Always challenge them. Bhagjo. Bhago.
Adnan, why do the Zionists eat Gai Mata? Why do they eat Gai Mata?
They don't care. Gau Mata.
They eat the cow, which is sacred to BJP.
Adnan, what he
Why do they
just
eat
said
cows?
is, Adnan, what he just said
There's
is,
no ayah. There's no ayah, yeah? There's no verse.
Why are you running away?
There is no verse.
Are you going to run away?
Find it. Find it.
After
I'll
all
wait.
that,
I will wait.
Adnan,
once this video is out.
Wait. Even AI is not helping you.
Once this
Even AI is not helping you.
I'm roaming and my internet is down.
What's your
That's the
name?
only problem.
What's your name?
You don't know my name.
I don't know. What's his name?
No problem.
What's
So,
his name?
Once I upload
He
this
said
video,
Arif earlier.
you can watch. I told you this.
Arif. Arif.
Arif Hussain.
All the information and all the evidence will be there online.
No,
also, you're
no.
going to cut up the videos, and then you're going to go there.
That's what he just said.
No.
He said-
Right here. Right here. Look at.
Your excuse the internet. I'll give you internet. How about that? Your
No,
excuse
we
is
have
the
internet.
I'll give you
Here,
internet.
my phone. My
I'll give you
phone.
internet.
We can give you
So
half
no
an hour.
excuses now.
On screen.
My phone.
We are not going to watch your channel.
On screen it will be there.
Internet. No problem.
Take half an hour break and find the ayah, then come back.
His friend is telling him, भाग, निकल. वो बोल रहा है उसको निकल भाई,
What he
भैया
just said
निकल
is-
यहाँ
what
से,
he
भैया
just said
निकल.
is He's gonna cut it. He's gonna give you an explanation
नहीं,
as a
नहीं.
video later on.
That's how he's doing it.
We're gonna give you half an hour.
So
Arif.
next time, ex-Muslims,
Find the ayah,
self-imposed
come back
kafir,
here right
do
now.
not make challenges you can't keep. He challenged Adnan that he's going to ask this question and then he has no answer, no evidence.
So
All he has to do is like the normal
नहीं
haters,
नहीं अभी
make claim and run
अभी
away.
अभी मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा सारे इंडियन मुस्लिम्स के लिए कि ये बंदा जो अपने आप को ये जो बंदा अपने आप को काफिर कहता है और मुसलमानों के खिलाफ नफरत फैलाता है झूठ बोल के कि कुरान में आयत है जो बोलती है जो कहती है कि आप अपनी बच्चियों के साथ शादी कर सकते हैं। मैंने इसको बोला आयत निकालो कुरान से और आयत नहीं निकल रही इससे। ये पिछले 10 मिनट से आयत ढूंढ रहा है कुरान की, इसको मिल नहीं रही, तो इसने झूठ क्यों बोला? हम इसको बोल रहे हैं माफी मांगो मुसलमानों से, क्योंकि तुम मासूम लोगों को झूठ बोल के उनके दिलों में मुसलमानों के लिए नफरत डालते हो। ये बोल रहा था कि मैं प्राउड ज़ायनिस्ट हूँ, मैं प्राउड बीजेपी हूँ। ये लोग मिल के काम करते हैं ज़ायनिस्ट के साथ ताकि मुसलमानों के खिलाफ इंडिया में नफरत फैलाई जाए। मैं इसको बोल रहा हूँ कि मुसलमानों से माफी मांगो। और ये झूठा इंसान जिसने झूठ बोला इतने, इसको असल में इससे पहले इसको ऐसा चैलेंज मिला नहीं, इससे पहले इसको ऐसा चैलेंज मिला नहीं। आज इसने गलती की, स्पीकर्स कॉर्नर लंदन आ गया। ये समझ रहा था मैं यहाँ के अपने झूठ बोलूंगा, मैं बकवास करूंगा और मुझे कोई चैलेंज नहीं करेगा। हाँ हाँ हाँ, अब आ गया। अभी ये बंदा यहाँ पर ये he came to speak his corner to tell people he's an ex-Muslim, and when we confronted him, Allah exposed him. He has a hat saying I'm a kafir. He said I'm a proud Zionist, I'm a proud BJP, and he's a coward. So clearly, he is going by an agenda. He wants to spread hatred against Muslims in India. He's being paid by the Zionists. He's being paid by the Zionists to spread this hatred. Now, he's not going to put this out. You will not put this out. I don't think you will put this out. But our cameras, I'm appealing to Indian Muslims. Do not be intimidated by these liars, these genocide apologists, because they have nothing but lies. He said today in front of multiple cameras, there is a verse in the Quran that teaches Muslims to marry their own daughters. We gave him 10 minutes, 15 minutes to look for the verse, and it's not there. Because it's not there. It doesn't exist. So, are you apologizing? Are you apologizing? No, are you apologizing?
Let me complete?
Yes.
I'm not apologizing.
He's not apologizing.
Will be online.
No, right now we are here to. No, don't swear.
I need to speak. Okay.
No, I'll tell you why. He's gonna go online. He's gonna lie again. Muslims are here to respond. Bring it on.
All evidence will be there.
No hatred, no violence, no intimidation. He is free. He's safe. There is no threat against him.
Counter that with his evidence if he has. So I will upload his video without cutting any portion, and you will find the evidence online. And you are welcome.
A verse from the Quran.
Yes.
You're gonna post. No, I'm not shaking a Zionist hand.
That's it.
Okay, wait.
So-
I'm not. Wait.
So wait
You're
for
gonna
that.
post. Wait, hold on. You're gonna post a verse from the Quran. You're gonna post a verse from the Quran that says Muslims can marry their daughters.
Yes, I will.
You're gonna. And if it's not there,
I will apologize.
a verse from the Quran.
apologize.
A verse from the Quran.
Yes.
Okay,
I
he
will
will apologize.
That's it. Okay.
By the way, are you here next Sunday?
No, I will apologize.
Are you here next Sunday? No?
I'll be going next Tuesday. Sorry, this Tuesday.
This Tuesday, no problem.
So that's it. So every evidence will be there online, and he can come there. If he has
I have a
any
separate
counter
question.
evidence, he can counter that.
I have a separate question.
Evidence will be
Why don't you bring the
presented in
evidence?
detail
Yeah.
in both
On
languages,
Thursday?
in
Chalo,
English
no
and
problem.
in Malayalam.
He doesn't.
Okay.
He's gonna. Let him. He's free to. He's free. I have a separate question. Clearly, he's using this. He's using this as a point. He's using this as a point. He's saying Muslims.
And if I
He's
if
saying.
I was failing, I will apologize. That's
He's
what I
saying
said.
Muslims.
I will show that.
Okay.
You can take this as a word. Okay, I will show the word.
Wait. You're saying Muslims are taught in the Quran to marry their daughters, and it's wrong. It's wrong. You're clearly saying it's wrong. Hello.
Wait for
wait.
the evidence online.
Yeah, no
Okay,
problem.
Why are you afraid?
But
just wait for the video.
no problem, no problem. You can post what you like.
That's
My
it.
question is,
If
you're
I'm not
clearly
able,
saying,
I will apologize online. I will send you a copy. You can.
no, don't.
On your chat.
You're clearly saying it's wrong. Wait. You're clearly saying it's wrong.
Okay.
It's not worth it. No.
Okay,
You're
bring
clearly, wait. Hashim. You're clearly saying it's wrong.
Come on down,
You're
bring evidence.
sleeping with,
will be there on
marrying your own daughter is wrong. I agree with you. Wait. Yes,
It will be there online.
marrying,
wait for my answer.
marrying.
Just wait
No
for
problem,
my answer.
no problem. That's a separate question.
Calm down.
It's a separate question. It's a separate question. It's a separate question. You're saying marrying one's daughter is wrong. I agree with you. I know why it's wrong. Why is it wrong to you? Why is it wrong to you? Why is it wrong to you? I want to know why is it wrong to you?
He's saying he's going to prepare a
My
video
channel is.
to answer. That's what he's saying.
You are a joke.
He won't answer face to face. He'll prepare a video.
I want him to answer.
You have to make a video. You are a joke.
Yes, he is a joker. Clearly, he's a joker. I'm asking a question. Why? We the Muslims know why marrying our daughters is wrong. We know it's haram. It's not allowed in Islam. Why is it wrong to you? I want to know.
This answer is not.
This answer-
making Another point. That's not my question.
Why is it wrong?
This question
To you,
which
to you.
we are facing right now is the evidence for what I said and whatever things that he was lying to you all, to the Muslims, that there's nothing like that in the Quran. I will debunk that online. You can watch the video when I'm back home.
No.
Okay?
You come face to face on Dawah
Are you
Voice
ready
this
for that?
Thursday.
And if I'm not able to do that, I will apologize online. I will send you the video.
I believe you're all.
You can trust me. You can trust me. Okay. I know you won't shake hands.
I don't trust
I know
you.
that.
I don't trust you. You're a liar. You have no moral values. You are a Zionist apologist. You are a Zionist genocide apologist, right? So I don't. How can I trust you? I wouldn't trust you with a penny. I wouldn't leave a pound with you. I wouldn't leave a pound with you. Hello, this pound, I wouldn't trust him with this pound.
Everyone here. Everyone
Come back
here.
here next week. I will pay for you. I will pay
Okay.
to India.
The final, Jazakallah khair, Jazakallah khairan.
Come back here next week.
The Quran says this. I don't know. Wait. Last point. No, but last point. The Quran, to the contrary, ladies and gentlemen, the Quran, to the contrary, says this. What does the Quran say about marrying one's daughters? The Quran says, wait. Surah 4. Surah 4. Just listen to this. Listen to this. Surah 4, verse 23. Verse 23. I want you to hear this verse.
We will continue this.
No.
online. We will
I want you to hear this verse. I want you to hear this
I
verse.
don't want to see your deflection tactics.
No. I want you to hear this verse. I want you to hear this verse.
Just one
So I want you. Just one verse. Just one verse. The Quran. Why is he running? Why is he running? Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, the sun is behind us. Turn around.
I think he got his tail between his legs.
Why is he running? You know, these people, he is openly, publicly saying, I'm a Zionist, I'm a proud BJP, I'm a proud ex-Muslim, I'm a proud kafir. He's wearing a hat and claiming that Islam somehow, or the Quran specifically, he said, allows or stipulates marrying one's daughter. To the contrary, the Quran says in Surah An-Nisa, chapter 4, verse 23, prohibited to you are your mothers, your daughters, your sisters, your father's sisters, your mother's sisters, your brother's daughters, your sister's daughters, your milk mothers, your foster mothers who nursed you, your sisters through nursing, your foster sisters, your wives, mothers, and your stepdaughters under your guardianship of your wives unto whom you have gone in. But if you have not gone unto them, there is no sin upon you. And also the wives of your sons who are from your own loins, and that you take two sisters simultaneously, except for what has already occurred. Indeed, Allah is ever forgiving and merciful. In the presence of this ayah of the Quran. Okay, thank you so much for reminding me of this. Okay, these liars, they have an audacity to come and claim. And you know what they do? They lie deliberately. They are on an agenda. He said he's been to Israel twice. What is he doing in Israel?
He's a Zionist.
What is he doing in Israel? He went to, you see, because Zionists pay people like this to spread hatred against Muslims, specifically in India. So he's lying about Muslims so that Hindus start hating the Muslims more. So they start attacking the Muslims more. So they start targeting the Muslims of India more. So this is why these people are worse than Zionists. Although he's a Zionist, but because he is working for the Zionists to spread hatred in India against Muslims, lying. Today Allah exposed him. So I request from the Indian Muslims, spread this as much as you can. Cut it up and spread it as much as you can, because this guy, he ran away from a discussion today. Thank you so much, Hussein. Sorry? Today was his janaza, metaphorically, intellectual janaza.
So I've invited him on Dawah Voice this Thursday. Let's see if he comes.
He's not going to come. I don't think he's going to come. But if he comes, it's going to be the second janaza. Inshallah. Inshallah.
You know, when you look online statistics, the largest Islamophobe, it is these people.
Listen.